Hi there, welcome to the Industria Artificis channel. My name is Daniel and I have painted miniatures for a couple of years, mainly within wargames. My aim with this channel is to provide you with clear, detailed and instructive painting videos to aid you in your hobby projects from start to finish. You can look forward to miniature painting tutorials on both a beginner army level and a more advanced character level, tips and techniques for specific topics, pacing ideas, conversion tutorials, miniature showcases and more. I will cover a whole range of different games such as Warhammer, Middle-earth, Drop Zone and Drop Fleet Commander, Doom and Alien vs Predator. I wish you luck on your journey and a joyful painting experience. Thank you.